are going to learn the concept of data types in JavaScript. So what is data types? Let me show you in this. So I will make a new file here, data types.js, and you can also use the same file like index or anything you want to use. And I will also make a new file here of HTML data type.html. Okay, now we will use the same process here, and after here we have to connect our, let me remove this from the notifications, and console, and this is index console.html. okay, fine, this is data type and this is data type html. Okay, now we are going to connect our HTML with JavaScript. I'm just repeating this process again and again so you guys can understand how to write HTML and how to write JS. Now script src, write the name of the JS file. My JS file name is data type.js. Now it's connected to JS. Now what we are going to do, we are going to learn data types in HTML JS. So let me comment here, and data types in JavaScript, data types in JS, fine. And now what are data types? Data types mean, okay, integer, float, and string, and also one more in JS is Boolean. These are basic data types for a beginner, and these are the basic data types for a beginner. If you are a beginner, you have to learn these data types. You must have to learn these data types so you can write your codes in JS. So for example, variable a is equal to 5, 55 or 99, 99. And what is 99? 99 is an integer data type, is an integer data type. And why 99? 99 means integer. You don't have to declare, you don't have to mention as like in C++ that this is an integer data type, integer x, not like this. You just have to write variable a is equal to 99. 99 is integer. JavaScript knows itself that it is an integer data type, and variable b is equal to my YouTube channel Javarevisited, and you have to write in single quotation, in double quotation, that Javarevisited, because this is an integer data type, oh sorry, string data type. And here you have to write string data type, fine. And variable c is equal to float data type. What is float? Float means in dots, 99.3. this is float. And I just missed a semicolon here. Don't miss a semicolon, otherwise if you miss, don't worry, JavaScript forgive if you miss semicolon in the JavaScript, but you have to write semicolon in the end of a line, so it will give you more practice, so you will learn more in JavaScript. So now what I'm going to do, I will make a comment here that this is float in JavaScript JS, simply JS. okay, now variable d is equal to true, and semicolon. And after that, what I'm going to, I will show you output. What is data.js? So okay, now I will open data types, and you will see nothing here because we have not print it. So you can use document.write, or you can also print in console. Let me show you both. First of all, we use document method, document.write. We will use document.write here to print on the page, document.write, and I will write A, or you can write C, and let's print the document. And let me reload this, Control R. Here you can see the output 99.3. even you can also variable a, and let's reload this, and here you can see and also check variable b. So make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel so you guys can get new updates. Here you can see. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will use console. Now I will write in console, not in the document. So what I will do, I will write console dot log, and after that here you have to write for example you want to write your name. So I will choose b1 and I will reload this and click inspect, and you have to go ahead. Here you can see Javarevisited, and even you can also don't comment this if you don't want. Here you can see, you will see in both. Here you can see Javarevisited and same thing, same output, and here you can make a and here you can make b. So yeah, and output is 99 and Javarevisited. Just remove this.